Tired of struggling with dull trimmers that pull, snag, and leave you with an uneven cut? Meet the SURKER 6-in-1 Beard Trimmer, your ultimate grooming solution. Designed for precision, comfort, and versatility, this trimmer is about to change your grooming game forever. Let's talk about what makes this trimmer a must-have for every man. It's 6-in-1 multifunctional grooming kit. With 6 unique attachments, this kit has everything you need: full-size trimmer, precision trimmer, design trimmer, body trimmer, nose trimmer, and micro shaver. Whether you're styling your beard, cleaning up your neckline, or tackling nose hair, it's got you covered. Its ultra-sharp titanium blades. The high-performance titanium blades are designed for precise, snag-free trimming with lower friction heat, so you get a comfortable, irritation-free experience every time. It's 100% waterproof and easy to clean. Use it wet or dry, in the shower or on the go. The entire trimmer is washable, and the detachable blades make cleaning a breeze. Its LED display and USB fast charging. Stay in control with a clear LED display, showing battery life so you never run out of power mid-trim. Plus, with USB fast charging, get up to 99 minutes of continuous use after just 1 hour of charging. Perfect for travel with its symbol lock key for safety. Experience the confidence of a fresh, professional-grade trim, right from the comfort of your home. Whether it's for your beard, head, mustache, body, or nose hair, this trimmer is built for all hair types. Ready to upgrade your grooming routine? Click the link below and grab your SURKER 6-in-1 beard trimmer today. Stay sharp. Stay stylish. Stay confident.